오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook cheese tortilla roll. You know, this is my recipe. You know, today we wearing our Lily and me same t-shirts. I will show you like this. Lily. Hi, yeah. Now I will introduce the ingredients. This potato and pizza cheese and tortilla, and you know this Korean language 청양고추 is very hot. You know, green paprika and green onion and garlic, egg, salt and parsley and oil and little bit salt. You know, so I will start now. First we put the cooking oil and if a little bit hot, and then oil a little bit hot, and then we put the garlic. Nice fresh smell, huh? Garlic always nice smell. Nice garlic smell, and then we put this potato. Yes, this much. Very nice smell. We don't need very much long time fry. Just a little. We put a little salt, just a half a small spoon. Nice. Yes, this potato no need very long time. Potato have just a little shock. You know this taste. We put the egg. We put the tortilla. Put this little paprika, very hot. This is Korean name 청양고추. You know, also we put a little bit green onion. Cheese. Nice, huh? Ooh. Wow, looks very nice, huh? Oh, very nice. Oh, nice, huh? Oh, very hot. Ready. Very simple, very nice. Nice. Oh, very nice. Wow. If you like my channel, please subscribe